Now we all know what are the multiples of 10 on this 100 square chart. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All these numbers are multiples of 10. And we will round up numbers or round down to the nearest multiple of tens. Now you have to know what is halfway. So the number 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. These numbers are considered halfway. They come in the middle. For example, the number 5 has 4 digits on to the left and 4 digits to the right side. 4 digits lesser than 5 and 4 digits greater than 5. Now let's solve some examples with the help of this number line. 5 is halfway or it's in the middle. So it's important to look which number is in ones place. Here we have 2 in ones place. So make a circle around the number 2. It means that 2 is the boss, which means the 2 will decide what will happen to this number 4 in tens place. Now let's check where 2 comes on the number line. So 2 comes before 5, which means now 2 will order 4 not to change. It will say, don't change, stay the same. So 4 will stay the same as 4, and this 2 will turn to 0. So 42 will be rounded down to. Here we have a number line which has numbers on it 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 as halfway, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have two multiples of 10 on it, 20 and 30. Now we will figure out if the number 28 will be rounded up to 30 or it will be rounded down to 20. So let's see if this number 28 comes after the halfway or before halfway. If it comes after halfway, it will be rounded up, and if it comes before, it will be rounded down. So this number 28 comes after the halfway, which means that we will round it up, and after rounding up, it will become 30. Now we know how to skip count by hundreds. Let's do it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Now I want all of you to keep in mind that these 1, 2, 3, 4, these numbers are the weak numbers, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the strong numbers. Now let's see how can we round a number up and round it down using keeping these weak numbers and strong numbers in our mind. Now we need to look at the number on tens place. What do we have here? We have the number 3. Now we need to see if 3 is a weak number or a strong number. Now 3 is a weak number, which means that it does not give any power to 4, and 4 does not change. 4 remains the same. So 4 and 3 and 6 will turn into 0. We will have 400 here. Why? Because we are rounding to nearest 100, so we want a multiple of 100 here. Now let's look at this example. We have 7 in tens place, and let's see if it's a weak number or a strong number. So 7 is a strong number, which means it gives power to 5, and 5 becomes 6. And these two numbers in tens and ones place, they will always turn into 0. Now let's come to the third example. Here we have the digit 2 in tens place, which is a weak number, which means it does not give any power to 9, and 9 remains the same. And 2 and 5 turn into 0. So the number 925 is rounded down to 900.